బెన్నెట్ యూనివర్సిటీ రాబోయే రోజుల్లో విద్యా వ్యవస్థలో మారుమోగిపోనున్న పేరు. ఏ దేశమైనా అభివృద్ధి పదంలో సాగాలి అంటే విద్యా వ్యవస్థ పునాదులు బలంగా ఉండాలి. ఇప్పటివరకు మీడియా, ఇతర అనేక రంగాల్లో దాదాపుగా 175 సంవత్సరాలుగా దేశంలో టైమ్స్ గ్రూపు తొలి, ద్వితీయ స్థానాల్లో దూసుకుపోతూ తన సత్తా చాటి చెబుతూ వస్తుంది. అలాంటి గ్రూపు ఈ విద్యా సంవత్సరం నుంచి విద్యా వ్యవస్థలోకి అంతర్జాతీయ ప్రమాణాలతో, అత్యున్నత సాంకేతిక పరిజ్ఞానంతో ఒక సరికొత్త విద్యా ప్రపంచాన్ని ఢిల్లీలో బెన్నెట్ యూనివర్సిటీ పేరుతో ఆవిష్కరించి ప్రస్థానం ప్రారంభించింది. అత్యున్నత స్థాయి విద్యా ప్రమాణాలు కలిగిన అమెరికాలోని జార్జియా టెక్ యూనివర్సిటీతో అనుబంధమై భారతీయ సాంకేతిక విద్యకు కొత్త భాషను చెప్పడానికి ఎదురు చూస్తుంది బెన్నెట్ యూనివర్సిటీ. ఉత్తరప్రదేశ్లోని గ్రేటర్ నోయిడా వద్ద 68 ఎకరాల సువిశాల ప్రాంగణంలో తరగతి గదులు మొదలుకొని హాస్టల్, క్యాంటీన్ ఇలా అన్ని చోట్ల సెంట్రల్ ఏసీతో విద్యార్థులకు సురక్షితమైన రక్షణ వ్యవస్థను, అత్యాధునిక సాంకేతికత కలిగిన ల్యాబులతో, 12,500 మంది విద్యార్థులతో, నిపుణులైన అధ్యాపకులతో రానున్న 10 ఏళ్లలో సౌకర్యాలు కల్పించడం లక్ష్యంగా టైమ్స్ గ్రూప్ దాదాపు 800 కోట్ల రూపాయలతో ఈ యూనివర్సిటీని తీర్చిదిద్దుతుండడం విశేషం. దేశంలో ఇంజనీరింగ్ విద్య అన్నది ఒక మూస విధానంగా మారి ఐఐటి, ఎన్ఐటీల్లో చదివే విద్యార్థులకు సైతం ప్లేస్మెంట్స్ దొరకని దుస్థితి రాజ్యమేలుతుంది. ఈ దురవస్థను తిప్పికొట్టడానికి అంతర్జాతీయ విధానాన్నే విద్యా వ్యవస్థలో తొలిసారి ప్రవేశపెడుతున్న ఘనత బెన్నెట్ యూనివర్సిటీకి దక్కుతుందనడంలో సందేహం లేదు. మంచి సాంకేతిక విద్య అభ్యసించడానికి విదేశీ బాట పడుతున్న యువతకు ఎడారిలో ఓయాసిస్లా ఏర్పడింది బెన్నెట్ యూనివర్సిటీ. చదువు కొనడం కాదు, చదువుకోవడం, విద్యార్థుల్లో నిబిడీకృతమైన సరికొత్త ఆలోచనలను ఆవిష్కరించి దేశ ఖ్యాతిని నలుదిశలా చాటి చెప్పాలన్న సంకల్పంతో ఆగస్టు 8న పురుడు పోసుకున్న బెన్నెట్ యూనివర్సిటీ ఆరంభ వేడుకల్లో టైమ్స్ గ్రూప్ అధినేతలు, యూనివర్సిటీ దిశ దశ నిర్దేశకులు ఏం చెప్పారో ఒక్కసారి విందాం. అలాగే దేశ యవనికపై అత్యున్నత సాంకేతిక విద్యను అందిస్తున్న టైమ్స్ను అభినందిద్దాం.
Goes well beyond 175 years. For us, it's it marks the beginning of a group's foray into higher education. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world, said the late Nelson Mandela. Education is arguably the best means to open one's mind and expand it. Education, we believe, will help create leaders with skills, determination, and imagination. It will be our endeavor at Bennett University to equip you for the future. At Bennett University, we are committed to creating a learning experience that straddles teaching and research. Programs that give every student exposure to multidisciplinary projects. Our objective, right from the start, has been to make Bennett University the destination of choice for an academic experience on par with the best globally. With this in view, we have partnered with global institutions like Georgia Tech, Babson, and edX. This campus has been designed to give you a world-class experience. We opted for a 68-acre campus designed by a world-renowned firm of architects, RSP of Singapore. A campus that has been engineered to provide a fully immersive experience. Starting at 300 students, we propose to scale up to around 12,000 students in 10 years. For Bennett University, this is just the beginning of a journey. We plan to offer at the undergraduate, postgraduate, and doctoral level courses in several disciplines, including engineering, management, journalism, law, design, sciences, liberal arts, and public policy. All of you here are too knowledgeable to be given gyan. Yet, I want to leave you with one piece of advice. Don't ever stop being curious. Never stop questioning conventional wisdom. Believe in yourself, and there is no hurdle you cannot cross. To our distinguished faculty, I quote Henry Adams, who said, "A teacher affects eternity. He can never tell where his influence stops." Friends, we have come a long way, but a lot remains to be done. I'm confident that with the participation of such bright young minds, the guidance and mentorship of our faculty, and the support of your parents, we will achieve our collective goals. Thank you.
Third, an immersive learning experience at our specifically designed campus. As we talked about, this campus is going to be really something that you will enjoy and marvel. And last but not least, our world-class curriculum focusing on life and career skills, incorporating technology and entrepreneurial thinking in action. And what is even more heartening is that apart from the kind of kids that you will interact with and the kind of friends that you will make as you are here in this university, you will interact with some of the top-notch faculty that is available in this country. And this will be under the able guidance of our Vice Chancellor, Judge Biruri. Can we have a round of applause for him? Can we open up? Leo Management, where are you? Yes, sir. Anil Kumar. Anil, where are you? Anil, where are you? There you are. That's your team on corporate linkages. Some top-notch faculty here who's going to make your life very enjoyable, and you must make their life enjoyable too. Ask all the questions and practical experience that you want to gain from them. Once again, thank you very much for being a part of this American University family and being here with us on this momentous day. Students, I look forward to interacting with each one of you over the course of your stay here. God bless you, and my best wishes to each one of you to succeed in this journey of discovering your passion and finding your career and living life successfully. God bless you all.
A round of applause. Okay, I'm requesting my MD, my CEO, and my CEO to walk around, mingle with you, interact with you.
And that's what you're going to do. You're going to develop a friendship which will last you for your life. So invest in that. Invest in that relationship. Get to know the people, your roommates, your classmates, people in other things, and develop a social network. A network which is going to be with you for the rest of your life. My last point is about parents. And I know many of you are here today. I'm a parent too. I've had 2 children who are still, in university and graduating and so on and so forth. And I just want to say to you children here, your parents have sacrificed a lot for you to be here. For you, they are the aspiration of the future. Just take a little bit of time to call them and say hello. Remember them and just say that you are happy and contented. All they want to hear is your voice. You don't have to do it every day, but find a little bit of time to just, think about them and talk to them. It's not very difficult these days with a mobile phone. And the other point I want to make as a parent to the parents here, because I've been through this when my children left home, it's always a feeling of emptiness. When your children leave home, you always think, my God, what am I going to do? Because our life revolves around our children. And we are so involved in their lives that it is almost the center point of what we do. And when we go home from work and the children are not there, it's almost like, there's an emptiness. Well, I know you have to realize your children are now becoming adults. And they are in a safe pair of hands, in a safe environment, with very good faculties, where they're going to learn the life skills. So let them fly, give them wings, encourage them. And also it's a time for you to think about your next phase of life. You can discover your own relationships, the own things which you never did because you were too busy raising children. So just think about that. Thank you very much and wish you all the best.